I'm Thomas Smith, and this is a look at the Melissa and Doug Paw Patrol Rescue Driver set. So this is a really fun set for your kids that are into Paw Patrol, and they can really start to use this as soon as they're sitting up, all the way up to, this is great fun for a toddler and even maybe a bit older. So basically the unit is a plastic unit here, and it actually has wood on the front, so it's a Melissa and Doug quality, which is really great to see. And you can see it's got all of the Paw Patrol characters, and it's meant to look like the steering wheel and the driver's seat of a vehicle. So you can see you start it up here, just like you would with a real car, turning the key in the ignition. And that's gonna start it up. We get the engine noise, the lights start to come on. And once we've done that, we can start to interact with these different buttons on here.
All right, Jake.
So they can press the different Paw Patrol characters here. These will light up, and you'll get the name of the character and a little slogan along here. So
whoa, Marshall!
You can illuminate these, you can switch them back off again, and that's fun. You can see the main members of the Paw Patrol crew there. We've also got the steering wheel in the middle here, and one of the coolest features here, I think this is really neat, when they put the car into drive, it's actually going to move this like it's a little GPS map. And as they turn the wheel here, they can see this little car and try to keep it on the road as this is turning. So it kind of looks like a GPS they may see you use in the car, and it's all mechanical, which is really neat. So it's a physical, moving kind of reel underneath this, a little moving car, and they're going to move this side to side. And I love that it doesn't have any screens, but it kind of simulates that look that you would have with a GPS on there. So that's one of the coolest little moving parts of this. And then when they go back into park, the car is going to stop. They've got a horn in the center, always popular, and some other little wheels that are going to say the names of the characters from Paw Patrol as they switch this. There's a bunch of other features on here. You've got a real functioning turn signal on the side here that they can play with. It's a siren. They can also press this button, and it's going to repeat the last character name that we got up here. You can also press the record button here, and it'll record and then play back immediately what you say. So I can say, testing, testing, and it'll play that back to me. So that's kind of cool. They can hear their own voice. And then there's rescue cards that you can insert into the holder on the back here as well. So overall, really super cool set for your Paw Patrol fan. And again, it's all self-contained, so there's no parts on here that are loose little parts. And if you put this on a mat or something, you can have your kid who's just sitting up kind of play with the steering wheel, maybe mash some of the buttons, all the way up to, again, a toddler who's going to enjoy using, an older who might enjoy using those cards, the rescue cards, and also would probably recognize characters and can pretend to be driving with the GPS. It's just a lot of cool interactivity in here, building in all of those Paw Patrol characters that your kids know and love. And again, I really like that it's all mechanical. There's no screens involved here, and the front of this is actually wood. So you do have that really nice Melissa and Doug quality.